Okay, we got a pool pump here. It's a Hayward pump, and if you turn it on, all you're getting is a hum. So you gotta take, I'll turn the switch off. So you take this back off and check and see if it spins free, which this one does. You can see right here there's a screw there. You can turn it to see that it spins free. It does spin free. So more than likely it's this capacitor right here. You gotta be very careful and take the capacitor off because it can still hold the charge after you disconnect it. So don't pop yourself. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and swap it out and see what happens. Okay, when you take that capacitor loose, it's really easy. You just take this one screw out. It loosens up the bracket. You take it off. When you swap your wires out, you just need to make sure that this one has two yellows on the same side and a red and white on the opposite side. And you can see this is the old capacitor. It had two yellows on the right and the red and white on the left. Just make sure you put the two yellows on the same side. It doesn't matter which side you put them on, but I always just try to put them back exactly the way they were when I took them off. So I put it back on there, and now I'm going to screw it back down. And after I screw it back down, we're going to flip the switch and see what happens. Okay, hopefully I did everything right. So now we're going to flip the switch and see what happens. See? It works. Everything's started working. Real easy. So, problem solved. It cost $10.17. A new motor costs $225. So if you can do it yourself, the best thing to do is go ahead and do it yourself. Have a good day.